Welcome to an insightful journey about securing your SARS eFiling login credentials and the importance of setting strong passwords. Understanding the importance of protecting your SARS eFiling password is the first defense against unauthorized access. Your personal and financial information is of paramount importance and needs robust protection against unauthorized access. Choosing a strong password is an imperative step to your information security, as it directly influences the level of your SARS eFiling account's defense. Implementing second-factor authentication provides an additional layer of security by using your email address or cell phone for sending a one-time PIN. Regularly updating your security measures is fundamental for keeping your digital information secured. The cybersecurity threat landscape is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest threats and how to mitigate them. The concept of a digital guardian describes proactive management of your digital security, establishing you as the guardian of your information. SARS eFiling places significant emphasis on security, and there are guidelines and protocols on the eFiling website for creating a strong username and password that you need to follow. Keeping a vigilant eye on your account activities is essential in making sure no unauthorized access happens. In the fast-paced world of technology, taking some time to understand the best security practices can be a game changer. As an employee, understanding and maintaining your eFiling security is a responsibility that cannot be taken lightly. For small businesses, securing SARS eFiling login information is a crucial task to ensure business continuity and protecting sensitive information. Ensuring your SARS eFiling login is secure is essential for safeguarding taxpayers' rights and ensuring confident use of the SARS online services. The key takeaway from this journey is the importance of setting robust security practices for your SARS eFiling account. #SafetyFirst. SARS, at your service.